Okay, good day everyone. Salut na aking mga kaibigan, mga followers, mga subscribers at sa mga hindi ko po followers and subscribers. Follow and subscribe na po kayo. Ito pong muli ang Little Samson's Workout. So, ngayon papagawa ko sa kanya ay deadlifting. Nasa loob siya ngayon ng gulong. Yung gulong sobrang napakalaki ng naitutulong niyan kung kayo ay nagsisimula pa lamang. Lalo na kung ganitong klaseng edad ng bata, yung mga tipong mga 4 years old, 5 years old, napakahirap, sobrang challenging turuan pa yan. Excuse me po. Dahil talagang hindi pa nila na-absorb yan yung mga sinasabi mo. Okay? Kumbaga ngayon, maganda yung tayo niya, maganda yung kanyang hawak, maya-maya lang, pag kung saan-saan na nakatingin yan, magbabago na lahat yan. O, ganun siya. Ngayon, importante yung tayo. Kaya kung nasa loob siya ng gulong, maiiwasan yung mga biglaang galawan ng paa na malaki masyado yung pagkakaiba. Kung nasa loob siya ng gulong, marirestrict yung kanyang movements ng kanyang paa na kumbaga magbago man, hindi masyadong magbabago dahil restricted siya, nasa loob pa rin. Kumbaga mas maiiwasan yung masaktan siya. Alright? So, hihimayin ko na unti-unti yung mga papagawa ko para sa mga gusto ring ipagawa ninyo ito sa inyong mga anak. Kailangan bantayan nyo at saka alalayan nyo sa pagbubuhat kagaya niyan. Nag-iiba-iba yung grip niyan. So, ang ginagawa ko, ipinipin ko yung kanyang kamay kung saan siya dapat hahawak. Alright? Okay. Stand straight, anak. Stand straight. Go. Stand straight. Up, up, up. No, 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 no. Okay. First is your stance. Okay. Stand like that. Alright. And then hold the bar close to your knees. Okay. Okay. Lapit sa. Okay. Look straight forward. Before going up, before you left. Okay. Hold the bar tight and strong. Tight and strong. Ready? Low. Hold on. Look straight forward. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, go. Look straight forward. 1. Okay. Breathe out. Breathe out. Go. 2. Go. 3. Go. 4. Breathe out. Go. 5. Good. 6. Good. Go. 7. Very good. 8. Breathe out. Like that. You need to breathe. Breathe out. 10. Go. 11. Hold tight and strong. Go. 12. Okay. 13. Go. Okay. 14. Go. One more. Let's go. Okay. Go up. Alright. So, ngayon, okay. So, hindi talaga siya nakababa pa doon sa floor. Pero, kaya na rin niyang gawin yon. Kumbaga siya lang. Ngayon, para kasi sa mga gustong ipagawa din ito sa inyong mga anak, gamit muna kayo ng gulong. Okay? Kumbaga, hindi kailangan na nasa simento o nasa lapag yung barbell kung bubuhatin niya. Ngayon, kaya sabi ko ito si Samson, ano na ito, may pundasyon na siya. Kumbaga, mayroon na siya konting lakas. At alam ko yung lakas niya, kung ano yung kaya niya. Kaya lalagyan ko na siya ng tigpa 5 pounds yung kabilang dulo. Ngayon sa inyong mga anak, hindi nyo kailangan gawin ito. Okay? Kahit bar lang muna o dumbbell, yung mga tipong ganun, o kahoy lang muna. Alright? So ito, 5 pounds. Okay. Ready enough? Okay. Alright. Stand straight. Good job. Okay. Okay. Alright. First is your stance. Okay. Alright. Okay. Then second. Oh no. Hold on. Close to you. Okay. Okay. Ready? I want you to look straight forward. And on the way up, I want you to breathe out. Okay. Like this. Ha! Okay. Ready? And 3, 2, look straight forward, look straight forward. Go! Come on, left, up, go. No! Yeah, okay, go, go. Okay, good job. Go. Okay, go. 2.
Ha.
Very good. Okay. 3. Very good. Okay, hold on. Stop switching your grip. Okay, go. 4. Look straight forward. Go. Yun. Okay. So ngayon, hinahawakan ko, pinipin ko yung kanyang kamay para hindi pa bago-bago. Okay, look straight forward and breathe out on the way up. Go. Very good. Okay, go. Long and loud. Ha! Good. Go. Come on. Ha! Good job. Come on. Do it again. Come on. Let's go. Ha! Very nice. Okay, one more. Come on. Okay. Okay, last one. And go. Good boy. No. Oh, all the way up. Do it all the way up. I want you to do it. Okay, that's the last one. Okay, hold on. Okay, look straight forward and go. Come on. Very good. You see, I'm strong. Okay. So, ganun lang. Sa mga nagsisimula pa lang, gaya ng sabi ko, importante muna yung kahit papaano, mababawasan yung maaaring masaktan sila. So, gamit kayo ng gulong na kagaya nun. Okay? Ngayon, kung wala namang gulong, talagang isang paraan din. Halika anak. Kami. Okay. So ngayon, kung nasa floor, okay, hold on anak. Ito, mas mahirap na itong buhatin. Kumbaga, ito na, yung pull na. Okay. Right there. Hold on. Right there. Okay. Alright, ready? Ngayon, ito yung tayo niya. Ipipin nyo yan. Okay, haharangan nyo para talagang maiwasan nyo yung maggagalaw. Okay, anak? Okay, close to you, roll. Close to you, roll it, close to you. Okay, hold on. Okay, look straight forward. No, stop playing. Look straight forward. Okay, ready? And 2, go up. Ha! Breathe out, do it again. Okay, go. Very nice. Alright. Okay, hold on. Okay, look straight forward. Go. Up. Ha! Okay, one more. Okay, hold on. Okay, ready. Do it again. Okay, ready. 3, 2, up. No, all the way up. Look straight forward and breathe out. Hold on. Okay, ready. Look straight forward. And look straight forward. Hold it tight. And 3, 2, go. Breathe out. Okay, so, ayun, tulo sipon niya. So, ganon. Mas mahirap siya turuan o